Welcome to Steaming Ahead in Science. I'm Katie McCurdy from Gulf Coast State College.
And I'm Nancy Dow with Bay District Schools.
We're so happy that you joined us. Today we are going to be doing an at-home experiment that you can do at your house with a few supplies that you can probably find in your kitchen or in your pantry. So today we're going to be doing DNA extraction with the use of strawberries. So the items that you're going to need for this experiment, you're going to need some dish soap, you're going to need a Ziploc bag, you're going to need some strawberries, some water, toothpicks, measuring spoon, salt, and some alcohol. And now Ms. Dow is going to go through how we would put this experiment together at your home.
All right, first you need to do is get some strawberries. I'm going to go ahead and take the green part off. And I'm going to put both of these strawberries into a Ziploc bag. There you go. And another thing I want to mention is that the alcohol needs to be on ice, so it needs to be chilled. So if you want to just stick that at the beginning, stick that in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold, okay? Ms. McCurdy, if you could get the air out of that and kind of gently mash those strawberries up. We want to break them down physically first. While she's doing that, I'm going to make the extraction buffer, okay? So for that, we need water. I put 6 tablespoons of water in there, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Palmolive dish soap. Doesn't matter the brand, just as long as it's some dish soap. And to just mix that up. You don't want a lot of bubbles in there, so just gently stir it so it dissolves without getting too bubbly. Okay. Now, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of regular table salt. There you go. We'll give that a little stir, gently. And now we're ready to add that to our strawberry mixture. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in there.
So what does this help do? Why was it important to put the dish soap in there?
Well, so just like when you wash your hands or wash dishes, it breaks the fat down. Well, the cells, the DNA that we're going to extract is inside the cells of the strawberries. Cells are kind of a phospholipid, so it has that fat in it. So the soap breaks down that fat layer and allows the DNA to come out of the cells.
Okay, very nice.
So you kind of gently squish that around a little bit. No.
Can you squish these, press these?
No, you just don't want, you want to be gentle while you're doing it because you don't want the bag to burst. I'm going to get a clean cup here. Okay, so now we're going to take our coffee filter and our clean cup, and you're going to pour our strawberry mixture into the coffee filter. Thank you. And I'm going to kind of pinch up the coffee filter and let it just drip for a minute. We're getting, the DNA is going to come out in this liquid, but I'm keeping all the hard parts of the strawberry in the coffee filter. You can give it a little squeeze if you want to. You don't want to squeeze it too much because coffee filters are fragile. They'll break and you'll make a mess. All right, I think we got enough there. I'm going to put that in there so we don't make a big mess. And the next thing we're going to add is our alcohol. Remember, it's chilled. And we're going to kind of angle it a little bit. So you don't want to just dump it in there. You want to kind of pour it down the side.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to pour it like this. Get a nice little, go ahead and straighten it out. Okay, so once you put the alcohol in there, you should see a darker strawberry layer and a clear white layer at the top, or clear layer at the top for the alcohol. All this white stringy stuff, that right there is your actual DNA from the strawberry.
Oh.
Pretty cool, huh?
It almost looks like snot.
But it's not.
All right. Well, we hope you enjoy this experiment at your house, and we look forward to seeing you on the next Steaming Ahead in Science.
Thank you.